Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your New Mexico sales tax account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your New Mexico sales tax account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in New Mexico sales tax login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. From the search results, click on first link shown on the page. Enter your user ID and password associated with your New Mexico sales tax account and tap on login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on the link that says Forgot Logon or Password option. This is how you can log into your New Mexico sales tax account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.